Okay, I'm at a new Albertsons and a new machine I've never played. So Dad, Mom said get the classic. Here, I'll tell you. I'm gonna see if this works, but I have no trust at all because the Great Falls, Montana Indian vendor I think went home. Just a quart, 50 cents. That's a relief, folks. It actually worked. Traffic is busy right here. So I played the rectangle machine on a video you didn't see because I cut it out and the thing took my money. When I won the squeak toy, the machine after that looked like this took my money. So in the last 3 machines, one of them gave me a prize. I have never done this, but I'm gonna play like this. Watch it not give me my prize. Didn't come prepared, had to break a buck. It's okay. So I'm just gonna play this once. Now if it steals my money, I'm gonna have to play it again. Don't steal my money, please. You've been good so far. This one's scary because I never hear it. Very good.